How to delete split in Capcut. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to delete split in Capcut. In order to delete split in Capcut, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, log into your Capcut account. Once logged in, go to the project and add a new project. So I'm going to go with a new one. Next thing you want to do is click the add button. Now that the project has been added to your timeline, in order to split, go ahead and select the video or the file and click the split at the bottom left hand side corner. Now you need to go ahead and select the starting point which you want to go ahead and delete. Click the split button. And next thing you want to do is select the ending point. So I'm going to go ahead and select this portion. As you can see, this has been selected. Now to delete it, so you just have to go down and select that portion of a video. This is the one, and click the bin icon at the bottom. So you could see this is how it's gonna delete. Now if you want to go ahead and extend the video, you could go ahead and long press on it, or you could just slide the slider, and that's how you could delete the split. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.